Welcome to this brief tour on using Google Drive with Loomly. With Loomly's Google Drive integration, you can easily upload your images and videos from tools like Adobe, Canva, CapCut, and others into Loomly from your Google Drive folders at the click of a button. This lets you easily collaborate with teams and clients on batch creating pixel-perfect content that you can then easily add to Loomly. There are two ways to add content from Google Drive to Loomly. The first is Loomly's content library, where you can add media for campaigns and plan out all of your upcoming social media content in one convenient location. Easily bulk upload your content with 10 videos or 40 images at once. In the library, you can add files from Google Drive to templates for recurring posts that you want to publish with minor updates like store hours, create an image slideshow, or organize content using labels for easy management and campaign tracking. Once you've added your subject and label in the post builder, select the social profile you'd like to post to, add a caption, and then attach media from Google Drive. You can also use Google Drive in the post builder alongside other options like uploading from your computer, importing from a URL, choosing from millions of royalty-free images using Unsplash, getting GIFs from Giphy, and also grabbing assets from your library as your draft content to go out to multiple social channels at once. Please note that currently you're able to upload one video or 10 images at a time in the post builder. In the fine-tuning step, you can easily customize the content further to maximize engagement for channels such as tagging profiles, selecting cover images, and more. If you need to make last-minute tweaks, you can also use Loomly's own built-in image editor. When you're happy with your changes, then send the post for approval if you're working with clients or a team, or set it to auto-post at the time of your choice by clicking schedule. We hope this tutorial was helpful and stay tuned for more.